Welcome to my channel CodeSet. Today we will be creating a Flask API using ChatGPT and will be making endpoint calls using Postman. First we will go to openai.com and ask ChatGPT to create a Flask API for me with two endpoints, one for displaying welcome to CodeSet and one for displaying thanks. This code creates a Flask application that has two endpoints, home and thanks. When the root endpoint, home, is accessed, the welcome function is executed and returns the string, welcome to CodeSet. Similarly, when the thanks endpoint is accessed, the thanks function is executed and returns the string, thanks for using our API. Let's copy the code and hop into our VS Code and create a file main.py. Paste the code and run it. Let's go to Postman and make the API calls. After the endpoint home is accessed, it returns welcome to CodeSet. And when the endpoint thanks is accessed, it returns thanks for using our API.